The first thing I have to do here is to drag my image that I have downloaded from unsplash.com, and both the image of the face and the leaf here, I've downloaded all of them from unsplash.com. I'll have the link down in the description for you to check them out and download it and follow the tutorial. But if you don't have it, you can use any other image and you'll understand it. So this is it. Now we have this image here. What we should do now is, basically for now we don't need this one, so but let's just leave it like that. And on this other one here, we have to select it. We have to select this area. So what we have to do is come here to this other one, magic one, right? So you click here. So I want to select this area. So now I've selected this area here. This is exactly what I want to select. So what I'll do next is Control J to duplicate it. Control J to duplicate it. So now since we have this layer here, which is the leaf, we just need to bring it on top. To merge them inside or to put them together, let's push this to the side. So now we click Alt, Control and J. Or you can come here to Image. You can come to Layer. Then you come to Create Clipping Mask, and it will create it right here. So now we have this line here, and this we need to cover everything. So just Control T to transform it, and now we increase that. Yep. Yeah, I think that is fine. So now we have that on it right now. So what we have to do is to enhance the image. So come here to image, just go to image adjustment, auto color, auto contrast, and auto contrast and auto tone. So now what we have to do is we have to work on the image too, the image of the leaf. We have to work on that. So go to image adjustment, go to brightness, and now we play with it a bit, and now we increase the contrast. Good. So let's go to image adjustment and labels. Yep. We have to make it realistic a bit. Good. So now we have that. So that is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorial, not complicated or hard to do, but creative tutorials. Keep watching.